Today we break down why open weights are not the same as open source. With NVIDIA's Nematron open model license permitting commercial use under custom terms, Llama-style community licenses adding restrictions, several Quinn and Minimax releases shipping under OSI-approved Apache 2.0 or MIT, and MetaMuse Spark from April 2026 staying fully closed. The labels get confusing fast. In the next few minutes, we cover what each term really means, how licenses differ, and why reading them protects your right to build. Let's start with the core idea behind open weight versus open source AI. Here are the essentials of open weight versus open source AI in plain language, what it is and why it was introduced. Open weights means trained model weights are downloadable. NVIDIA's Nematron open model license permits commercial use, yet attaches custom terms, while training data and code may stay closed entirely. True open source places an OSI-approved license, such as Apache 2.0 or MIT, on the weights and often the code, allowing broad commercial use, redistribution, and modification. Llama-style community licenses are open weight, not open source. You can download the weights, but the license adds restrictions on usage, scale, or redistribution that a true OSI license would not. At the far end sits fully closed. MetaMuse Spark, released April 2026, ships no downloadable weights at all, so neither open weight nor open source rules apply to it. Now let us look at why open weight versus open source AI matters in practice. Here is where open weight versus open source AI shows up in real products, teams, and decisions. The license, not the download button, decides your rights. It governs whether you can use a model commercially, redistribute it, or fine-tune it. So the license is the contract you actually operate under. Several Quinn and Minimax releases ship under Apache 2.0 or MIT. These OSI-approved licenses allow broad commercial use, redistribution, and modification, giving teams the widest freedom to build and ship. NVIDIA's Nematron open model license permits commercial use, but its custom terms add conditions you must read carefully. Open weight does not automatically mean unrestricted, even when commercial use is allowed. With fully closed models like MetaMuse Spark from April 2026, there are no weights to download and no fine-tuning rights. You access them only through whatever interface the provider chooses to offer. Let us recap the key takeaways on open weight versus open source AI and what to do next. Open weights means downloadable weights, often under restrictive or custom licenses like Nematron's. Open source means an OSI-approved license, such as Apache 2.0 or MIT. They are not interchangeable terms. OSI-approved licenses like Apache 2.0 and MIT, seen in several Quinn and Minimax releases, grant broad commercial use, redistribution, and modification rights with minimal conditions attached. NVIDIA Nematron's custom terms and Llama-style community licenses are open weight but carry restrictions. Commercial use may be allowed, yet conditions still apply, so they are not true open source. From fully closed Muse Spark to Apache 2.0 Quinn releases, rights vary widely. Read the license, because it controls your commercial use, redistribution, and fine-tuning rights every time. We have seen how open weights, custom licenses like NVIDIA Nematron, OSI-approved Apache 2.0, and MIT releases from Quinn and Minimax, and fully closed models like MetaMuse Spark each carry different rights. Before you build, read the license. For more information, visit Standarity.com. See you in the next video.